So our team name is Tech Squad.
Our team members are Kylie, Anna, Gabby, and myself, Danielle.
So our picture is from a TV show called Teen Titans Go.
And we chose this artifact because we thought it represented our personalities and how well we could work with technology.
My name is Kylie Gelston. I'm from Washington Township, New Jersey. My hobbies include playing basketball, watching Netflix, and playing with my roommate's dog. His name is Ace. I love him.
So I'm Anna Baldwin. I'm from Mantua, New Jersey, and I enjoy baking, volunteering, playing with my dogs, and then spending time with my friends.
And my name's Gabby. I'm from Ocean City, New Jersey. I enjoy organizing, photography, going on walks and running, and spending time with my nieces and nephews.
My name is Danielle. I'm from Absecon, New Jersey. My hobbies include working out, going to and working on the beach. I'm on Atlantic City Beach Patrol, spending time with my big family, and playing with my dogs, Cannoli, Turner, and Lenny.